Question number 1. I was born. May. A. In. B. On. C. At. Question number 2. He is allergic. Rats. A. To. B. At. C. By. Question number 3. She is interested. Learning new languages. A. On. B. In. C. At. Question number 4. The cat is hiding. The table. A. On. B. In. C. Under. Question number 5. You married? A. Are. B. Is. C. Have. Question number 6. He is good. Mathematics. A. By. B. In. C. At. Question number 7. The meeting starts. 9 a.m. A. In. B. At. C. By. Question number 8. She has. For 4 hours. A. Sleep. B. Sleeped. C. Slept. Question number 9. He came. A bicycle. A. Under. B. By. C. On. Question number 10. He jumped. The river. A. At. B. On. C. Into. Question number 11. They live. London. A. In. B. Under. C. At. Question number 12. She sat. The chair. A. At. B. In. C. On. Question number 13. The bridge is. The river. A. Under. B. Over. C. In. Question number 14. The dog ran. The garden. A, in, B, under, C, across. Question number 15. I will be there. 5 minutes. A, by, B, on, C, in. Question number 16. We traveled. Car, A, by, B, under, C, in. Question number 17. She has been living here. 2015. A, from B, for, C, since. Question number 18. The birds flew. The trees. A, in, B, under, C, over. Question number 19. I prefer tea. Coffee. A, at, B, to, C, than. Question number 20. The store is open. Monday to Friday. A, in, B, since, C, from.